Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I went out and got my first action camera. This is the Venture 4K from KitVision. I think it's their newer model. The old one was called Escape. First glance, packaging, everything looks pretty good. So let's go through some basic specs. It has a 1.8-inch LCD touchscreen, a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, 4K premium image sensor. It can shoot video 4K 30 frames per second, or if you're shooting 1080 it does 60 frames per second, or if you want to go down to 720 it's 120 frames per second. It shoots normal photo with 16 megapixel, it does single shot, burst photo, time shooting, and it has time lapse, which is quite cool. The price, it's around $180, which kind of is like a GoPro 7 White, which goes around $200. Yeah, everything looks okay. Let's have a look inside, shall we? So, let's open this bad boy up. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. The Venture 4K. It's in the waterproof box. Looking pretty good. Let's look what we got to go with it. Seems to be a lot of stuff in here. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. Let's see. User manual, fine. Cleaning cloth, always handy. And this is 2 pieces of adhesive tape to put underneath and some kind of security string which can come in handy. We have some straps and we have some plastic clip ties to put on, USB cable and charging cable, a little plastic cover for it, or case should I say, 2 mounts with adhesive tape underneath so you can put to use like a dash cam or something in your car, bicycle stand, very handy, and a few other bits and bobs, some more mounts. So all in all, this looks pretty good. This is the little waterproof case, goes up to 30 meters, pretty sweet. And then we have the main thing here, the little action cam. Let's see, we have one little opening here, let's see, open the hatch. And that's USB, HDMI, and a micro SD slot. All good. Another slot. And that is where you have the battery. Yeah. First impression is that it looks very good, but enough of that. Let's put it to the test, okay?